flight level 70 and hold over Badal. We have a landing gear problem.
Copy, sir. Climb 70, hold at Badal.
Hold at Badal, climb 70, Pakistan 300.
Sun 300, expect right hand orbit present position Badal.
Right hand orbit, Pakistan 300. Radar Pakistan 300. We would like to come back and land. Request radar vectors for runway 07 right or 25 left, whichever is available.
Proceed direct Makli, decent flight level 50.
Makli and 5000 Pakistan 300. For runway 25 left or 07 right, Pakistan 300.
Both available, advice.
We'll request runway 25 left, Pakistan 300.
Expect 25 left, descent flight level 50.
Descent 50, Pakistan 300 for runway 25 left.
Pakistan 300, confirm landing gear is with issue and it is down.
It's fully down, no problem. We would just like to come back and land. Everything is normal.
And no further assistance required?
Nothing. We all okay, Pakistan 300.
All operation normal, thank you.
Pakistan 300, descent 3000 feet, QNH 1018, proceed direct Sabin.
Direct to Sabin, descent 3000, 1018, Pakistan 300.
Pakistan 300, confirm on present heading clear to intercept localizer.
We'll be comfortable with that, sir. We are on course to Sabin. Understand from Sabin, cleared for the ILS 25 left.
A from clear ILS 25 left, report established.
Roger, call established, Pakistan 300.
300, confirm wheels are geared down and locked and you have the safe indication of that.
Everything is safe and normal. We established ILS runway 25 left.
Right, Pakistan 300, approaching 8 mile 25 left, continue approach, contact tower 1183, allow it.
1183 for the office, Pakistan 300. 300, established ILS runway 25 left.
Pakistan 300, runway 25 left, clear to land, surface wind 030 degrees, 05 knots, check is down log, caution birds.
Clear to land, runway 25 left, Pakistan 300.